Hey guys, and welcome back. So I wanted to show you guys how to get a quick and effortless style that is perfect for the Christmas holidays. And I did this style yesterday, but I wanted to show you how to get a similar look. You're only going to need two things, which are satin rollers and a lightweight oil. I'm going to start by parting my hair into two sections. Next, you want to apply a small amount of oil. I would recommend using a spray oil because it's lightweight. I'm using the Serum Oil Mist from the Mane Choice, and this is from their Heavenly Halo collection. I'm going to take a small amount. And then take the satin rollers and begin to roll my hair. I'm basically just wrapping my hair around the roller, almost like doing a flexi rod set. You want to use satin rollers and not the sponge ones to ensure that your hair doesn't snag or dry out. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. These rollers are comfortable to sleep in. I slept with a satin bonnet and scarf on. I'm just taking the rollers out. You can see the curls are shiny and bouncy, and it's also soft. I'm going to take a little bit of the serum to help with combing out the curls, and I just use my fingers to style, and that's it. I hope you all enjoy this effortless yet elegant style for the holidays. Thanks for watching, and I'll chat with you later.